Hi everybody, we're going to unbox the MPOW H19 active noise cancelling wireless headphones. I'm pretty excited about this because I got these for Christmas from Santa and just getting a chance to open this up, and I was taking a look at the back. Bluetooth 5.0, it has again active noise cancelling, it says hi-fi stereo with some 40mm drivers, and as I'm looking at this box I'm thinking, oh, how can they fit a nice headphone set in this box? But let's see, let's open the headphones and see what we get. Right, so here's the headphones in its own bag. Oops, dropped the, looks like it's a 3.5mm jack, but these are wireless headphones. Pull them out, we can, fairly light. Look at all that nice cushioning that it has around the ear. Looks like it's really well built. It swivels on its joints. Looks like it's got enough space for numerous sizes of heads. It slides out really nice. And look at this, it's got need to know your left and your right, L and an R to tell you exactly which ear each muff should go onto. The earmuffs themselves, just your normal standard fitting, but hey, it muffles that sound. It's nice and cushy on the top headband, nice and cushy for the ears. Volume up and volume down button. You've got your action button and power button. You've got your charging port, your micro USB charging port, and you've got your vents for noise cancellation. And I forgot to mention where the ANC was on the side, and for breathability. Should fit nice and snugly and comfortable around my ears. So let's see what else is in the box. So the M19 comes with a cloth sack to hold the headphones in. Let's store this headphones and see how it fits. Took me a little bit to figure out that one joint, but it folds nicely in place. Fits nice and snug. There's a charging cable, a micro USB charging cable. Also in the MPOW H19, it comes with a free 2-year warranty. If you scan it within 15 days, it extends for 2 years. It also comes with a very simple connection so that you can connect your headphones to your TV. That's what your 3.5mm jack is. If you have a Bluetooth transmitter, you can connect to that Bluetooth and then connect straight to your TV, which I find a lot of people are starting to do right now. This is just a reminder that the headphones can only be charged with a 5-volt adapter USB port. USB to micro USB connection to charge H19 headphones. And now that we know what this is the 3.5mm jacks. Hook up the Bluetooth transmitter that is sold separately, and you can connect that Bluetooth transmitter to the mic output, or the headphone output from your TV. The instruction manuals that came with the MPOW H19 is very clear and specific. It tells you that the power button can also be a voice assistant action button. If you press it twice, you can get the action button for Google Assistant or Miss A, which is pretty cool. You can easily connect to your mobile phone with the Bluetooth connection. Holding it for 5 seconds turns it off. So if you're using these every day, these are probably good headphones to think about. Looks like it's well built. It's approximately 230 gram light headphones. Really easy to hold and really easy to put on. It's got some nice swivel joint to wrap around your head so that you have nice tight sound, muffles out the extraneous sound around you. This is the MPOW H19 IPO active noise cancelling wireless headphones. Please watch the Nest Audio unbox.